Ultimate coders, Burlington. Build the future, code it in. Learn it with Luna. Sing it one more time. Word problems get easier when the steps can rhyme. First read the question before you start to count. Ask what it is asking and what you need to find out. Circle the numbers, underline the clue. Look for what is missing, that is what you need to do. Read the question, find the clue. What is missing, what should you do? Draw the model, check the sign. Step by step the answer will shine. Learn it once, sing it twice. Now the problem feels precise with Luna by your side. Let the thinking guide. Addition means joining more together in one place. Total all in all together can show an adding case. Subtraction means taking away or finding what remains. How many more or how many left can point to subtraction games. Multiplication means groups the same, rows and columns too. Division means sharing fairly or making equal groups for you. Read the question, find the clue. What is missing, what should you do? Draw the model, check the sign. Step by step the answer will shine. Learn it once, sing it twice. Now the problem feels precise with Luna by your side. Let the thinking guide. Draw a bar model when the parts are shown. Use a number line for jumps when the change is known. Make a table for patterns, list the steps with care. A picture can make the hidden math easier to compare. Estimate before you solve to see what answer fits. If the number looks too strange, go back and check the bits. Always check the unit, dollars, meters, cups, or days. A number without meaning can get lost in many ways. Write a sentence answer so the meaning is complete. Then check if it makes sense before you leave your seat. A problem is a story with numbers hiding inside. Read it like a detective, let the clues become your guide. Coding works the same way, break the challenge into parts. Plan, test, fix, and try again, that is how smart thinking starts. Read the question, find the clue. What is missing, what should you do? Draw the model, check the sign. Step by step the answer will shine. Learn it once, sing it twice. Now the problem feels precise with Luna by your side. Let the thinking guide. Find, draw, check, choose the sign. Write it clear, word problems feel easier when the steps are near. Sing it with Luna and the answer will appear. Ultimate coders,